Yo, so what's up everybody? We're making a cake today from scratch. A cake. Not like a box cake like. We're not making this box cake. We're making it from scratch. So get your ingredients out, your measuring cups. Scratch. Taking a big risk here because I barely remember the recipe myself. So you're gonna need sugar, flour, vanilla extract, 3 eggs, a cup of butter, which is also 2 sticks. So yeah. French wrap in the background, don't worry about that. We got 2 cups flour, 2 cups. Just wanna 2 cups. Yeah. Now you put sugar. So we got approximately 1 cup of sugar. I mean, I mixed light brown sugar and some white sugar, but it should be straight, you know? Now you're gonna whisk it all together. And yeah, 3 eggs, now you wanna whisk it. Yeah, now you whisk. So now I already put a stick of butter in and then I melted one to see like, so yeah. Put your butter in, my bad, if you couldn't see that. You put your butter in and now you whisk even more after you did the eggs and everything. So basically you just whisk all your ingredients, yeah, so yeah. Your vanilla, however much you want. I did 4 teaspoons? Teaspoons, 4 teaspoons. You just do that. I probably did too much, but we'll find out. I don't know. It's cake. Oh my god. So the vanilla kind of stains. So yeah, so whisk that even more. So now once you whisked it all together and it's kind of smooth, kind of looking like that, you know, you can customize it, personalize it, put sprinkles, food color. I'm putting hella blue in here, seeing what's popping. I don't know why. I like the color blue, so let's try it. And we're not making any mistakes this time. So, before I forget, and I forgot to tell y'all earlier, put some baking soda in there, because like baking soda rises it, I guess. I don't know. I'm not a scientist. So yeah, some baking soda. I don't know how much. Probably gonna put like 2 teaspoons? A teaspoon and a half? Yeah, a teaspoon and a half, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna put a teaspoon and a half of baking soda. So now you got like half a tablespoon, which is also a teaspoon and a half of baking powder. You wanna use that, whisk it. So now, once my hands are like super, preheat your oven to 350 after it's whisked. 350. So now after you start preheating your oven, you want to butter your pan. So now that you've preheated your oven to 350, you got your thing, your whisk out, you just want to start pouring, you know? Now that your oven is at 350 and your cake is in the pan, just put it in. Eating an apple while the cake bakes. So, I wanted to come here and tell y'all that I didn't graduate high school. Bummer. Psych! So, yeah. Let your cake bake. I don't know how long. I hope y'all know you gotta sprinkle a little bit of like, comment, and subscribe into the cake to make it good, or else it won't come out good. Like I promise you, I'm being that dude, and I'm saying you gotta like, comment, and subscribe for your cake to be good. Or else it won't come out good. So yeah, I'm getting my diploma dirty. Oh boy. So yeah, let your cake bake. So now you take it out. I kind of snacked a little bit just to see how it tasted like, cause you know I'm fat. So like, take it out. You could like caress it. I don't know. Do what you want. Make sure it's cooked on the inside though. So like you poke it, it comes out clean. Should be good. Now you want to flip it on a surface. I'll show you that when it's cold. When it's cool though, it's gotta be cool. Cause if it's not cool, then you messed up. You gotta wait for it to be cool. So basically, you take it on the surface, right? You flip it over and you just smack it, right? Or you just hold it. I don't know, whatever you want to do. So now you have your cake upside down, and that's, for me, I'm gonna cut it in half, frost it, flip it over, and then frost it, and then put sugar on top. It's gonna look cool. You'll watch. You'll see. So yeah. I don't got vanilla frosting, and I kind of wish I did, but the inside is blue. Peep that. Peep the details. It's coming apart together. It's coming together. Good. Whatever people say, you know. So yeah, now you want to put this on top, and I'll show you that. So you just, I need both. You'll see. So now once you put it on top, you just frost it off. Not the best frosting job, but you know how it is. And then next, if you want to make it look fancy, you get this sugar, confectioners. You hit it on top with this thing, and then you, I don't know, eat it. Got the powdered sugar on, now you can enjoy. What's up, everybody? So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It took a while. I didn't really know like the bake time, but it took like 35 minutes, something like that, in the oven, I mean. But basically, you just, if you're not sure, just poke the middle with like a butter knife. And then if it comes out clean, then you should be good. If there's still little bits, let it cook for a bit. Yeah, that's the video. The cake was amazing. Better than I thought it'd be. Because that was the recipe off the top of my head. I'm not even following like a cookbook or like a recipe online or anything. It was just something I learned when I was in Canada visiting my auntie. So yeah, throwback, I guess. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the cake. If you made it, if you didn't, maybe make it for a birthday or a celebration or something. It's really fun. Yeah, it's fun. I mean, the fun part is eating it too. But, so yeah, enjoy that. In the comment section, let me know what you want to see me make or see me attempt to make. So far, we're 3 for 3. We haven't failed anything. We made the French tart, cookies. What else did we make? And cake, I think. What else did I make? I feel like I made 4. French tart, cookies, cake, French tart, cookies, tortillas, and cake. So yeah, enjoy. I'll get at y'all next time.